What's up everybody? How you guys doing? Hope you're doing good. So today I'm coming up with something new, kind of like Kodi, but it's different. It's a new program or software that you install on your Mac, Windows, Android boxes, or Fire Stick. It's pretty interesting. It's pretty faster, and you can watch Netflix, Amazon movies. Let's get to it so you can understand more. So this program called Vavoo.tv. Here's the link. You can just go to https://www.vavoo.tv. All right, it's in Dutch, which I'm assuming Holland or Netherlands. And to download, you're gonna have to go to software, click on it, and here you're gonna find Android, Google Store, Mac OS, and Windows. In my case, I'm using a Mac, so I'm gonna go and download it for Mac. So I'm gonna click on it, and it's gonna start downloading. Okay, I'm gonna save it. Make sure to know where you're saving your programs, and we'll wait for it to be done. Okay, it's done downloading, and open up your program or software you just downloaded. Again, this is for Mac. You can use it. You can download it for Windows or Android or from the Play Store. In my case, like I said, I'm on Mac, so grab this one and drag it to the applications. Drop it in there. Alright, I already downloaded, so I'm going to go ahead and replace that one. Alright, it's done, so I'm going to go ahead and double click applications. You can close this one, and we're going to search for Vavoo right here. Double click it so we can install it. Alright, so once you open this, if you get it like this one, it's good. If not, normally it would be like this. I'm gonna show you real quick. Like system, this one bundle. Normally it's, if it's Vavoo.tv, just go to bundle and change TV to TO and hit OK, and it will be installed. For me, I already did, so I'm gonna cancel that. Go back. So let's review this one. You can keep it, like I said, as is, and it has film. So let's go through the films. You get the top. Before we do this, I'm sorry. Let's go back to system. Click on system, and then go to this option right here. Click on it, and on your keyboard, click on the left arrow and select the first one, which is that one, and click enter. And we're gonna go to regional, and we're gonna change the language from German to English, and we're gonna change, wait for it to install, the English back, go back to regional, and we're gonna change the keyboard and check German. I mean, if you speak Dutch, you can leave it on German, but for me I'm gonna do English. Alright, select that one and hit OK. You can change the country. We're gonna do USA 24 hours, okay. Go back and go back. Now, let's go to film and see what it has. You can choose whatever tab. Let's try the first one. And this is all the movies. Alright, let's try to open this one, for example. You can play, you can download. So let's hit play. And you can choose whatever link. Okay, and you play it. Alright, let's go back. And we have series, we have Netflix, new film, and you get all the movies. They play really fast, give it a try. And we have Amazon Prime, Maxdome, Sky, Live TV. Live TV doesn't have much Dutch, pretty much, in Turkey. Sport International. You have all kind of sport channels, Arabic, Albanian, beIN Sport in Arabic. It plays pretty good. Let's open one of them, for example this one. And voila. Hit stop. And let's try another one. From France, for example. And there it is. Let's give it like a couple seconds, they will start playing. See how it freezes on me? Anyways, so let's go back again. We have this one, I don't know what that is. Kinder for kids, favorite system. Okay, now let's go back to system. If you want to keep Vavoo and add the adult ones, you will have to go here, click on it, and yes. And we add another tab for it right there. I'm gonna open it up. You know what it is. Alright, let's go back to system. Now what I'm gonna do is go back install bundle. For this one, I'm gonna show you how to install builds for Kodi. Install bundle. And now we're gonna change the name from TO to TV, like we're gonna reset everything, and hit OK. Alright, it's gonna close, reopen. Of course, I'm pretty sure you're familiar with this look as Kodi. So we're gonna have to change the language first. Click on that, and we're gonna go to this one. Again, regional. We're gonna change it to English. Alright, go back here again. Keyboard, and check this one, and check English QWERTY, and hit OK. Country, no, not UK, I'm not in the UK. USA, okay, and go back. Now we have the interface for Kodi. So we're gonna go to File Manager, Add Source, We're gonna type in the source. Make sure you type in http:// and the name of the source is gonna be in the description. Hit OK. I'm gonna leave it as is. OK. Alright, as you can see, it's been added. Go back one more time, go to add-ons and click this little box for packages, install from zip. It would tell me to enable the unknown sources. Go to settings and turn on unknown sources and hit yes. Alright, go back, install from zip file. We're gonna find the source we added, ᴅᴏᴡᴜ. Click on it. Only one zip. Click on it, install it, and wait. Go get a coffee, get a cigarette, and come back. It takes like a minute to install. Same thing. Imagine we're working on Kodi, just a different GUI, different skins, but I can tell you it's pretty fast. So we're gonna test that out when we're done. And you guys, help your brother out. Please subscribe, help me out, like and share. If you hate my video, I'm sorry. Please tell me what I can do to make it better. Excuse my English, it's not my first language, but I'm trying. So we'll wait and see. Okay, the ᴅᴏᴡᴜ, it's installed. Alright, we're gonna hit continue. Build menu. And hit continue. Now you get, okay, build. How many times we're gonna do it? Alright, let's click on the standard install. Yes, install. I'm gonna fast forward this so you don't have to wait. Okay, it's done. Now we're gonna first close it. Okay, and we're gonna reopen it again. So let's go to applications, Vavoo. And voila, the build is installed. Let's wait for the menu to be built. So I have the same thing installed in Kodi and same thing installed on Vavoo. Okay, let's give it a try. So you get movies, TV shows, sports, kids and family, documentary, live and on-demand, music, man cave, includes some adults, sports specials, and YouTube. Okay, in the movies option, main system, skin settings. No, it's not skin settings. Settings. Okay, right here. Right. Right there. Original. Turn it to English. Let's change the keyboard. Okay. and check German and check English cards. Hit OK. I'm gonna change the country, USA, 12 hours. Alright, and let's go back. Alright, go back, and voila, it's like we're in Kodi. Alright, movies, you get some tabs over here. You can select any one of them and browse the movies, or you can search for whatever you want. For example, let's select this one. Okay, yes, sure. I'm telling you guys, this one is really faster than Kodi. Okay, so let's choose people watching. Oh no, I'm sorry, those are just people's. People watching right here. I always choose this one because it always brings the top movies. So here are all the movies. Let's try this one for example. So it will show you how many are in 4K, how many are in 1080, how many are 720, which is badass. And then you can pick whatever works for you. I don't know if this is legal or not. I will always recommend using a VPN. I personally use IPVANISH, which is the best. Okay, so we got 1080, 1080, 1080, 720. Let's pick this one. That doesn't work. You choose another link. Obviously it's working, but I'm just gonna stop it right there so we don't get in any trouble. Alright, so let's go back, and you can choose another tab. There are plenty of them. Bob Unleashed, Pyramid, Maverick, Spins, Supra Box. I mean, there are plenty of them. Okay, now let's go to TV shows. Again, you have tabs in the bottom: Netflix, Amazon TV, Sky One, and plenty of them. Alright, sports, same thing. You got tabs in here. You just pick whatever, or you just go straight to the category you want, like you know, football, soccer, whatever that you're looking for. Kids and family, same thing. Documentary, live and on demand, music, man cave. You get tabs, you get some adult ones, adult channels for XXX. I'm not gonna open it up. I'm pretty sure there are a lot of kids watching. Sports specials, YouTube. You can search for whatever you want. Yeah, and that's about it. Let me know if you have any questions. Try it out and let me know how it goes. Please subscribe, like, and share. Help me out. Till the next video. Have a good one.